Welcome to my page. First of all, medyo na-inspire ako or medyo nagising ako sa isang post na nakita ko recently at gusto kong mag-react. Actually, itong post na to ay this girl is speaking to millennials, yung mga anak na ang parents ay 60 and above na raw, 60 and up. So, I'm actually standing at the opposite, right? Okay, before I go on, sa ating maliit short na go live na to, let me again introduce myself for those who are watching this go live or who are going to watch this go live for the first time at sa replay mamaya. Okay, so my name is Vanji. I am 60 years old. I am a Filipina. I'm living in the Netherlands for 22 years now. I am a wife, I am a mom and grandmom, at isa kong anak ng dating OFW. Pareho silang naging OFW. And now my parents are in their 70s. Almost 80 na si tatay. So eto, nung nakita ko yung post, medyo kinilabutan ako. Talagang parang it hit differently nung nakita ko tong post na to at i-share ko sa inyo.
Nasa 60 years old na, ng mga magulang mo, pakinggan mo ito ng mabuti. Mas kailangan bilisan pag-abot sa mga pangarap mo. Hindi para mainggit ibang tao. Hindi para may post ka sa social media. Hindi para may ipagmayabang ka. Hindi para maabutan ka nila. Kasi habang tumatanda ka, tumatanda rin ang mga magulang mo. Habang abala ka sa paghahanap ng mas malaking income, mas magandang buhay, at mas maraming opportunities, unti-unti rin nauubos ang oras nila. At minsan, sobrang focus mo sa future at nakakalimutan mo na kung para kanino mo ba talaga ginagawa ang lahat ng yan.
Okay, stop na. So, ito yung post na nakita ko at pinanood ko siya up to the end. Sabi ko, talagang this girl is full of wisdom. Hindi siya nagsasalita para manginggit or hindi rin siya i-share ko pala to. Share nga natin. Kaya ko pa ba i-share ito sa aking hindi siya nang iinggit at saka nagre-remind lang siya in a way. Pero naalala ko, she has a point talaga. May point itong batang to sa kanyang sinasabi na kung ang parents mo ay 60 na at ikaw may mga pangarap pa para sa kanila, mag-double time ka because their time in this world is not that long anymore. Parang yun ang sinasabi niya. Tapos bigla napaisip ako dahil as I was saying, I'm 60 years old nga. And ang mga anak ko millennials. So parang these are the millennials na kinakausap niya para sa akin. 'Di ba? Gusto niya ay para sa akin na bilisan niyo ang pagsisikap niyo so that your parents can still see you successful, your parents can still enjoy kung ano man yung pinamis mo sa kanila. Parang something like that. Ako naman, as a 60-year-old mom, hindi naman ako nangangarap na ang mga anak ko ay bigyan ako. Or gusto ko makita sila naman na sila stable na, kumbaga. Wait, i-share natin nga ito sa akin. Yan. Ka-share ko na sa akin. Hindi ko basta-basta ma-share. So anyways, yun nga yung reaction ko lang. Parang it hit me hard again, sasabihin ko ulit, hit me hard dahil ng sinasabi niya, kung millennial ka tapos yung parents mo nasa 60 na or some are even older, sabi na, bilis-bilisan mo ang sisikap para makita pa nila, not to bash on social media, not to be proud sa iyong mga accomplishments, nothing like that. Gusto niya na kung ikaw may mga promises sa parents mo, bilisan mo na yung galingan mo na. In short, kumbaga, galingan mo na ang pagsisikap para makita nila, ay ako 60. So, hindi para sa akin yung pagsisikap ng mga bata. Yun ang ginagawa nilang pagsisikap para sa kanila. Also not to please me. That's not the idea, not to please me. Pero gusto ko lang sabihin na ako, ang parents ko are in their late 70s. 79 na si tatay. And Ina is 75. And I am doing this to please them. To please them. I want them to feel na now that I'm 60, yung mga pangako ko para sa kanila, I'm doing all of this because I want to make them proud. Diba? Kasi, let's face it, lahat tayo, we all wanted to give great life, comfortable life sa ating mga parents. But life happened, nakapag-asawa ka ng maaga and you have other responsibilities at nagkataon nga na nakati na yung attention mo, yung energy mo to give them or to fulfill your promises. Nung bata ka kasi gusto mo, tutulungan mo sila kasi they have been really, really generous, really loving, good provider. They're the best parents. Yung sa akin I'm talking about my parents, they're the best parents and I want to give them the world. Kumbaga, I want to give back because napakabait nila. And I always say this, I am what I am now because of them. At dun nga sa aking profile picture, talagang nilagay ko ba yung parang yung award na that I received 2 years ago. Na yun nga, dance like nobody's watching. It doesn't matter. You just go on doing what you do. Be proud of yourself, of your accomplishments, of your wins, be it small or big, para sa parents mo, para makita nila na, okay, this is the child that we raised. Anak ko to, parang ganyan. Tapos going back, dahil ako naman 60, the reason I'm doing this actually, what I'm doing, okay, let's face it, I am still working actively on my business. I'm not working for any boss. I'm working for myself, my favorite boss, because I want to have control of my time. And I still want to be able to spend quality time with my family, with my husband, my children, grandchildren, and also with my parents. Because I remember when I was still working and I really wanted to take a long vacation dahil gusto ko mag-spend ng time sa aking family back home sa Pilipinas. Hindi ako pinayagan ng boss ko. Parang sabi ko, wala kang magagawa kasi during the time I was employed. Pinayagan ako for 2 weeks na vacation. Tapos ang mahal ng pamasahe. To make the long story short, I always wish that one day magkakaroon ako ng business na I can bring anywhere. The business that I can run anywhere and the business na pwede kong ibigay sa aking mga anak kapag ako wala na sa mundo. Yeah, yan yung syempre mga iniisip ko noon. At nung nakita ko nga itong online business na to at kaya ko siya ginagawa, it's because I know that at this point in time that my children are raising their own families. Gusto kong mag-spend sila ng oras sa kanilang mga anak, sa kanilang partners, sa kanilang sarili din. And me being so privileged to have the time and the energy to do this, why would I not do it, right? Ginagawa ko to for the people I love, for the people who are important to me. I am doing this not for social media. And the reason I'm telling you this is because I know somewhere out there, may isang katulad ko who's also looking for an opportunity that they can do anywhere. Isang sustainable na business na pwedeng gawin ng kahit sino, kahit anong edad mo. Hindi mo kailangang stock ng inventaryo sa bahay mo at hindi mo kailangang magbukas ng isang store, isang physical store to run this global business. Again, it's just sharing what I feel after watching that video or that reel na nakita ko. Na-inspire ako at gusto ko rin sabihin because I'm sure. I looked at my the back end of my business and I have seen so far, alam nyo, how many women, my age, tingnan ko ulit. Today is 29. Gawin natin yung custom 29, because we have this automated system, and our online business has a system wherein you can show this business without personally being there, without doing a personal one-on-one meeting or organizing a business opportunity meeting or something like that. Because now that we are living in a digital age, alam nyo ba kung how many, ay, papakita ko sa inyo. Pakita ko. Wow. Alam nyo ba kung ilan ang women na naghahanap ng online business? Kung ano man ang kanilang rason, mga OFWs to, kalimitan sa kanila, women, naghahanap ng business opportunity. 13,425 ang mga nakakita ng naghahanap. And they looked at my website, tiningnan nila if this is something that will fit their lifestyle or kung ito ba ang hinahanap nila, if this business has the characteristics of what they're looking for. Alam nyo ba kung ilan ang nag-sign up? 337 ang interesado. So again, I'm going live dahil I want them to know that I'm real. This is me. Pwede na nila akong message, yung 337 interested na kung paano bang mag-start ng online business para mapadali, sabihin na natin, para matulungan sila to earn extra, o baka gusto nilang mag-retire early at gusto nilang makasama ang kanilang family. Parents, anak, partners, parang ayaw na nilang magtrabaho sa malayo, kaya gusto na nilang mag-start ng business na sustainable, yung kahit saan pwede nilang i-manage. At ito yung digital business, ito yung digital marketing business that I'm doing, and I'm willing to share and I'm willing to teach them how I'm doing it. So this is basically the reason kung bakit nag-live ako, dahil ang daming nagtingin, and I want them to know na hindi ito AI, I'm real. Narito ako sa Netherlands. Oh, ayan. Hindi talaga. Hindi talaga. At nagsha-share lang ako dahil, yun nga, I was touched by this video, yung reel na napanood ko. At sabi ko, baka yung mga anak ko nagsisikap para i-please ako. Ako naman, nagsisikap ako para sa kanila. Because I want to help them. Alam ko, mahirap ang buhay ngayon. At ako naman nga, sabi ko nga, meron akong oras. At yung oras kasi, ginagawa natin. Hindi mo kasi pwedeng sabihin na, wala naman akong time. Kasi ang time, ginagawa ng paraan. So, yun lang. Gusto kong sabihin. And kung interested ka, at again, hello, this is not AI, si Vanji to. I'm based here in the Netherlands. 60 years old, isa akong mom, isa akong wife, isa akong grandmom. At kung ikaw ay katulad ko at naghahanap ka at hindi mo alam kung paano mag-start, let me tell you, noong nagtatrabaho ako, ang wish ko, sana makakita ako ng online business at sana may magturo sa akin. Nag-try ako on my own, pero mahirap talaga kung wala kang tech background, kung hindi ka magaling sa computer, hindi ka magaling sa technology, tapos you will do everything from research to making your own website and stuff like that. Mahirap talaga to start on your own. But having a business coach, isang mentor, at isang someone who has done that and actually doing that. At narito, I'm very actively doing the business. I'm here. Hello. Just message me. Log onto my website. Panoorin mo muna yung aming webinar.